Canon just launched a new EOS C50 cinema camera. I'm here with Jack on the Canon stand at IBC 2025 to find out more about it. So Jack, tell us about the new EOS C50.
Well, the exciting thing about this camera is it is the lightest weight cinema EOS camera we've launched to date. Not only that, it's 7K full frame, capable of 12-bit internal raw light shooting in open gate as well. So using the full size of the sensors, we know this is a huge demand by customers nowadays, and to offer that in such a small package is very important. Not only 7K video, it also offers 35 megapixel stills as well. As we are in the world of hybrid content creation and shooting, it does offer the perfect blend of powerful cinematic features, but also allowing the user to be able to take very good still images as well.
Brilliant. I've noticed you got a handle on this. Does this come as part of the kit with a camera, or is it a separate accessory?
No, this does come included with the camera as well, offering you audio support and obviously familiar systems that you'd use on the top of the handle, shoot button. We even have zoom rockers that can be used with our powered lenses as well, which means for those of you can operate it there that aren't as comfortable operating it from the grips.
Brilliant. And that gives you two XLRs with phantom power?
It does, yes.
Brilliant, brilliant. So who's the target user for this kind of camera? Because you've got quite a big range of cinema cameras.
Yeah, of course. So where we're positioning this, it kind of does go everywhere, because as we know, this is a camera with the image quality that it has is suitable going all the way up for that high-end image quality. But realistically, with the pricing, positioning and features that we're offering, we're putting this around the professional content creator, commercial, music video production, even some run and gun documentary potential this could be used for as well. We'd obviously say the possibilities are endless, but this is really where we are looking to put this camera.
Right, so you briefly mentioned price. What is the price on the C50?
Price on the C50 is around €4,000 ex-VAT.
Brilliant. And are they shipping now, or is it pre-order?
No, it's going to be later in the year, probably later towards the end of November.
But pre-orders are available now?
They are indeed.
Lovely. Thank you very much.
Perfect. Thank you.
That's it. We're going to keep looking around the show, see what else we can find.